We are the leading brand from Aluplast. The good thing, I was just explaining some of the dignitaries that look, when everybody was going to China, we were investing a lot of money and time in India because we see a large difference in price and quality. And here India is the one wherein people can understand quality better than anybody else. So we don't have any plant in China. So our product at the moment coming directly from Germany. So this is something, a big advantage being Sudhakar from PVC industry. They can understand PVC is a product wherein people do a compounding. They put a lot of cheap compound, and good companies are understanding the quality. So it is from our side is one of the most important key factor being good quality product. So we are bringing the same product to India what we are selling in Germany. So the lot of people when they come to India, they always feel, oh, maybe cost sensitiveness and maybe we have to sell cheap or something. So this was the hard decision, but we said no, Indians, they understand the value of the product, and we should do, being German, more value engineering instead of cost cutting. So ever since I took over, we are spending a lot of time and money on doing value engineering. That is the advantage with Aluplast, and that is how we are quite successful. So we started from north, from Delhi. We are number one there. Almost all 80% retail project, high-end retail projects are done by us. Okay, the cost-sensitive project we were not in, but retail was our main success. And as Narasimhan Saab explained, that we were talking about 5 major things, sustainability coming from 5S, we say 5S. So when you're looking for your window, it is not only a window that just put curtain and forget about it. It is the connection between nature and inside. And I was so happy when they have chosen the name as Between. So this is the link between nature and yourself. People are getting quite sensitive. Our nature is always blessing us with a lot of advantage, but some side effects are also coming because of our human influence in the nature, like dust and a lot of things, noise, energy, like the heat is coming inside the room. So this is a really a product in between the nature and us, is giving a connection directly to the nature and keeping isolated from the bad effect of the nature. So that is how the name has been evolved, and I'm very happy to see this name evolved. They had around 40 names before selecting Between. It's a very good thought.